Hi there. I'm thrilled you're interested in having a free coaching session. It will be a privilege to connect with you. One of my greatest sources of satisfaction comes from helping clients break free from long standing challenges. To ensure you get the most out of our session, please complete these steps. 1. Scroll down to the calendar and select a date and time that works for you. 2. Scroll back up and review and check the coaching contract agreement. And 3, fill in the wellness assessment at least 10 hours before our session together. The assessment is vital for 2 reasons. 1, it provides me with valuable insights into your unique situation, allowing us to maximize the session's effectiveness. And 2, it enables me to provide you with a wellness report at least an hour before we meet, a report that evaluates your biopsychosocial dynamics in life's 3 domains of self, mission, and relationships. This will help you make an informed decision in how best to move forward. Before our session, I encourage you to explore the free resources section of my website and download the Coaching Principles and Pillars document. This will give you an insight into my coaching philosophy and approach. Through my courses and direct coaching, I empower individuals to overcome specific challenges such as avoiding or recovering from burnout, counterbalancing your competing priorities, eliminating self-doubt and procrastination, overcoming self-sabotage or a crisis of meaning or a lack of direction, career stagnation, and developing and maintaining healthy, co-creative, personal, and professional relationships. I look forward to our session and helping you achieve your goals.